Hello, I'm Michelle Eskelin, and tonight I am cooking way to his heart ravioli. This is a hearty meal that is perfect if you want to impress anyone, but I call it way to his heart because my husband loves it when I cook this. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and cook the ravioli according to the package instructions. You can get whichever flavor you prefer. My favorite is the Celentano beef ravioli. However, there's so many brands now and quite a few flavors. You can get lobster, pesto, cheese, and then also this beef one. While the ravioli is cooking, very thinly slice up a smaller sized yellow onion. When the ravioli is done, go ahead and drain it and set it aside. Then get a large saucepan and put the onions that you thinly diced into the saucepan. Next, add however much garlic you prefer. We like a lot of garlic, and I like to cheat and use the pre-diced garlic. But if you want to use regular cloves of garlic and dice them yourselves, obviously you're welcome to do that. I squirt olive oil onto the garlic and onions and I mix them all together. Next, add 1 pound of the ground meat of your liking. I prefer mild Italian sausage. Some people like hot, or you can use ground beef or ground turkey. I like to mash any ground meat that I'm cooking with a potato masher. I just find that it makes it a lot easier to stir it and it seems to help it cook more evenly. Cook the meat mixture until finished. Place the noodles in a 3-quart baking dish. Add 1 jar of the marinara sauce of your choice to the noodles. I used Classico meat sauce. This meat mixture smells divine. Can you smell it through the screen? My husband just walked into the kitchen and asked when dinner was ready. Once the meat is done cooking, add it to the sauce and noodles and stir. Then bake uncovered for 15 minutes. After the noodle mixture has baked for 15 minutes, top it with half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese and place it back in the oven a couple minutes to melt. Then garnish with fresh parsley. And dinner is served. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content of this video. Let me know down in the comments what ravioli, meat, and sauce combo you would try. Thanks for watching.